Hey folks, how's it going? As you can see, back at the grind here with the old Farmall C. Try and get the paint going. Lots to do. But made some pretty good progress on the rear end today. And even had the forethought to put a few tarps on some stuff. So that way I wasn't covering everything with dust and debris, because believe me, it is getting everywhere. Yeah, so these old bolts, I believe they hold some torque. I believe they sort of attachment implement of the likes. I've never had anything that goes mounts here, so put them back in. They're all cleaned up pretty good. We'll never seize on them. Just ever do pull them off or something, and those will probably be ready. Call it good on them. Just snugging them in there. I ain't crank them. Didn't crank them too hard. I just don't want them to come out through vibration down the road. But I think those are good. Well, that's probably gonna do it for filming for today. Not much going on, not much exciting. I'm probably gonna still grind a little bit more, maybe clean another bolt. But that's gonna be about it. So we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep at this old tractor, and hopefully we'll get some good videos of some reassembly, some paint, some stuff like that coming here for too long. Waiting on parts to come in to keep working on it. Plus I need to get a gear pulley. Hopefully try to get some of these seals out, get the bearings out on that other axle. I popped the cover off the other night, and those things are pressed in there pretty tight, so they just weren't going to pry out, it didn't seem like, so I didn't really mess with it too much. Just wanted to see what it was going to be like, and yeah, they're definitely in there tight, so I probably have to get a gear pulley for that, which I don't have. Like I said, I have to get one. Just going to keep cleaning, so stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.